Hello everyone, today is Tuesday. This is Dean from Direct. Today I will ship the 3 V1000 loader. This one is white color. And this one is orange color. Yes. Orange and black color. And we provide the customer the loader cover to protect our loader, and all kind of the filters. And in this bucket, we'll provide the manual operator. Okay. And the loader is being packaged. And this is a normal red color and the dark green. Also the loader cover. And the basket. And many attachments. This has been the package. This is the track, the auger, many will be sent to the USA. And many kind of colors. Yellow, the mark, black, many. And then many mini skid steer loader, small loader have been saved. Thank you for the watching. Thank you.